Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is February 1st, 2020, making the very first week of February 2020. So we had a great week for the month of January 2020 with only one loss. So very happy for that and looking forward to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips for the month of February. Remember, the month of February is a short month, so hopefully we all kill the market once again. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the bell notification below so you will be aware when we put news video. And remember, now if you want to see the full analysis for the rest of the week, you have to subscribe. Other than that, you will not have access to the full week analysis. All right, so I just wanted to clear that up so you guys are aware of that particular issue. And another great app, if you have not subscribed, go to our Forex USA group on our Facebook, and so you also will be aware when we post brand new videos. One last thing, guys, for all those haters up there, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds, in hundreds of pips. All right, using the triple arrow system, one of the best systems in the world. So if you are not signed up to our triple arrow, please do so. The link is below. We are giving $20 cash back, and I want to thank to all those that have signed up, and we are making a big difference to our community. All right, so just want to clear that up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see the rest of the analysis for the week of January 3rd to the 7th of 2020. All right, so let's go ahead and start with EURUSD. What time frame are we using this guy? I really want you to pay attention. Please let me know if you are using the 4 hours time frame. But it's one of my favorite time frame that I use a lot. So if you are not using it, please consider doing that, and I will help you. Now, what is our analysis for the EURUSD for this week? All right, let me make a box here so you will see it that we are using the 4 hours time frame. So, and the reason is, why is the market acting as a bullish? All right, it's simple because look at who's in charge here, guys. Triple arrow. So when the triple arrow comes in, market takes off. That's simple. It's not hard. So, but right now the market is still bullish. So it has not gone to a place where we need to rest and do a retracement. So we're looking for another probably 1 or 2 more candles to still form in this area. And then from that particular area, the market is going to drop, retesting our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. And then what do you think it's going to do from that particular area? What do you think it's going to do? You tell me. Right. If you say the market is going to go from that particular as a buy, I will agree with you 100%. But why? The reason is why. Look at who's in charge. Look at who's in here. What is this thing for? It's triple arrow system. That's what the triple arrows are. So it's that simple, guys. I mean, trading is not hard. It's just, you just got to have the sale rules that work with your trading skills. All right. So remember, this video today is only for the EURUSD, the GBPUSD, and the AUDUSD. All done on 4 hours. All right. So I really want you to pay attention to this. If you have any question, please, go ahead and analyze it on your own using the triple arrow system. That will help you a lot, and so hopefully everything can make sense. But basically, look at this. This is a great one to be a bullish. I really like it. All right. Let's go to the next page here. Let's go to GBPUSD. Look at what we got on GBPUSD, guys. What time frame is this? Right, 4 hours. Now, so some of you say, Irvin, market is bullish. Yes, it is. In my opinion, it's doing a small pullback. right? But the market, what are we expecting to see for the rest of the week, to be honest? Let me go here. Look at here, guys. So we're looking, to be honest, we're looking for still in a bullish trend. So it's not fully formed yet to do the pullback. So what we're looking here is maybe, you know, 1 or 2 more candle, and then it's gonna give us a location here of what? Sell area. Then the market is gonna drop, retesting our 78 to our 0 Fibonacci line, doing in a small pullback. Doing a small pullback, almost retesting our 100 Fibonacci line before the market takes down. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, I don't know how else I can help you. Remember, all this analysis here are totally free, guys. I really want to help you. My agenda is super busy here in the office, but I really want to spend some time for you guys as well. All right. So, and make sure you guys come back on Wednesday, 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna be analyzing the rest of the analysis, the full analysis that is gonna be dropping in tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be Sunday, February 2nd, 2020. So please be on the lookout, okay? And share it if you want to share it to anyone. It doesn't matter. I want the world to make some pips somehow. Remember, like I always said, even if you make $1,000 out of the market, it's not like you're pulling out of my paycheck. So I'm not gonna be, you know, bad to you guys. I'm just gonna let you do what you do best. You know, can't be selfish. So the pipe is too big to be hiding it. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. And do me a favor, guys. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Click that and hit the bell notification below. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next pair. Look at here. What pair is this? Let me delete this. This is from last week. Oh, I don't know since when. Look at this, guys. AUDUSD. This is done on 4 hours. All right. So what is the master trend doing in here? Master trend is bearish. Hopefully you do agree with me. But I don't see any strong confirmation yet that we need to do a pullback. Maybe we're looking for 1 or 2 candle, or maybe 3 more candle before doing what? What do you think the market is gonna do, guys? From that area, from right where it is right there, market is gonna go as bullish from this area here. That's what I'm thinking, right? So now, what do you think is gonna happen in this area here? Come back on Wednesday and analyze it with me. Most likely, we're gonna start seeing a triple arrow formation in this area. But remember, it's a triple arrow pullback. It's not like you're gonna be on this triple arrow for a very long time. So that's something that you really need to know. I don't know if this is very difficult for you guys, but I mean, consider that, okay? And that from that particular area, look at what the market is gonna do. It's gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. And then from there, we should be seeing a small pullback. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday and take a look at it on this one. I really don't want to screw everything up. I really want you to come in. And a lot of you guys are saying, Irvin, but can you show me how to work the news? How do the news work? The other day I created a video, guys. I did, and so I really want you to know how I do it. So basically, what you do is you go to Google, right? On Google, you're gonna be typing my FX book, right? So let me bring it up so you can see it. Let me bring the screen here. Look at here. So you go to Google and type my FX book, right? Then click on the first link right there. First link. Let me change my color here so you can see it. Let me put this magenta. Then the next thing you need to do is come to home and click where it says economic calendar. Click on it. Right? So, and it's gonna show you all the news that are coming for the month of February. But that's not what I want you to do. what I want you to do is I want you to come and go where it says more. Let me highlight it. Hopefully you see it. Let me make this thicker so you can see it. Actually, let me make it a lot thicker. Let me delete this first. All right, so and then let me make a circle. Look at here. So you're gonna come back where it says more, right? Right there. Then what are you gonna do in that particular area is you're gonna drop where it says more. Right where it says more, you're gonna have more auctions where you're gonna be selecting all the events that are gonna be happening next week. See that? All the events are gonna be there. So what you're gonna be doing here is you're gonna be unselecting the no impact, low impact, and only leave alone what has what is only gonna be the most important news, which is gonna be the high impact, and the other one that is gonna be the medium one. In my opinion, just leave those two alone. That will help you a lot. Now look at what's here on the bottom. This is very nice, very sweet in my opinion. So in here, let me delete this. Let me make a circle here, a rectangle box. Look at here, and here you get all the notification from the trade. If you don't want none of those or some of them to be out, just unselect them. And the key out of this whole thing, guys, is that you need to save it. Here at the bottom, you have a save button. So you have to save all the entry that you're doing. Click on this save button there, and then everything is gonna be taken care of for you guys. So it's not hard, but some of you are really having a hard time how to save and manipulate you know, all the news so you can see only what's important for you. All right, so and then look at here, and then all the news. Look at what Monday comes. Monday, there's plenty of news coming aboard. USD has some news. You see GBP has news, and then you can go click what it says show more. February is there. Look at there. And then you go to Wednesdays. All that information, and then Thursday, Friday. Look at that. And then that's it. We close on Friday, so there should be nothing in there. Look at that. Look at that. USD has non-farm payroll is coming on Friday the 7th. So you're gonna be hearing a lot of traders talking about this. So I mean, it's very important for you to check the news, guys. Super important. Please pay attention to this tool. It's very important. Remember, the name of it is what? Hopefully you didn't forget. Look at here. It's my FX book, and then go to what it says economic calendar. That's where you're gonna see all this news here. That's where you're gonna see it. Okay. All right, so hopefully that helped you guys. I don't know anything else. If you're really struggling on anything, please drop it on the comment below so we can you know, work together. And remember, I'm gonna be posting the next video probably tomorrow, Sunday, and we take it from there. Okay. So once again, please make sure if you haven't destroyed the bell notification below, do so, and I will see you. When do you think I'm gonna see you again? Tomorrow. Take care, guys.